Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, February 21, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, February 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 21, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, February 21, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 71.5 million pesos, and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 58.5 million pesos for February 21, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, February 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.